Counting sticks over here, y'all. Big sticks, big sticks, big sticks, big sticks.
Do I look like I give a because I don't?
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Golden Rose, aka Tori. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time I'm on your screen. How are you doing? What's poppin'? I know y'all see the new hairstyle. We bringing that Rasta vibes. Yes, we are. If you have not seen it yet, go ahead and check up my last video. I posted up on the tutorial on how I did these locks. Ooh, getting caught on my nail. Don't do that. It's real easy, and you guys should go look at that and go check that out. Go like and subscribe and look at that video. It's cute. It's nice. All right. So today's video, on today's agenda, we are doing something different today. Something. Look, I'm scared because I tried doing this thing before. It didn't work out. I did one armpit and it was like, no. So today we are doing.
What?
We're going to wax. Today we're going to wax. At home Brazilian wax. Why, you may ask? I don't know. I just want to do something weird today. We gonna try something out. I don't know if y'all can tell with my voice. I am scared because when I first did this, it didn't go too well. I stopped. I had to use oil to get it off because it was just ridiculous. Couldn't do it. So what I'm using today for my at-home Brazilian wax, aka I'm gonna do it myself because why? We're doing hot girl-ish.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl.
What you need is some cornstarch baby powder and you get you some wax beads. I got these wax beads from Sally's. Everything that you're gonna see besides the popsicle sticks and the baby powder popsicle sticks came from Family Dollar.
The ghetto.
But the beads, these are charcoal hard wax beads. I'm gonna show y'all the box. The box has been going through some things, y'all. But this is how the box looks. It's a big bag. I just emptied some out into my container. I went and got this GG wax burner kit. This is about 20 bucks. This and the little wax inside. You can see it's melting. I gotta be careful because I ain't trying to burn myself. It's been melting in here, but I gotta mix the beads around to get the ones up top to melt as well too.
And wait a long periodically time.
I'm getting PTSD looking at this. And the only reason why I'm doing it again because that one armpit I did, the hair didn't come back for a whole month. I just had to shave one armpit every 2 weeks. I'm not shaving, you know, it was a lot of pain. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up.
5 minutes later.
Once it's melted, you gotta turn your thing from high to medium. Cause you will burn yourself if you keep that sucker on high. Yeah, you don't want to do that. All right, y'all, so we about to get started. So what you're gonna need is like a little socky sock. This is an old sock. I lost the other match too, so we're gonna use it. Go put it in your hand. And you're gonna wanna, I don't know if I wanna do my armpits first. I really don't know if I wanna do that. Or maybe I should do my legs. I don't know. I'm gonna do the armpits. Let's just get the armpits out of the way. I'm giving you very much caveman, very much hairy. We're going to get this done. Now, to make this easier, because I can't take the bottle and put it on my, take the top of the wax thing. I took the baby powder and put it on this. I'm going to cry. I think I'm having second thoughts. I need to put my hair up for this. Obviously, this is not a cute video, and I really don't care about this tank top. I just hope I don't get any of this stuff on my waist trainer. So now that we got our hair back, look at them edges, baby girl. Them edges is laid. So whoop to the side. Like before, and dry that pit off. You're gonna dry the pit. Just dry the pit. And you're going to put some baby powder on the armpit. Oh! Put it on. Just massage it and just, apologize. I apologize. Because honestly, it didn't need to go. Woo! I'm laughing at my pain right now, and I ain't even going through the pain. Lord, Father God, you've been so good to me, Lord. Just help me out, Lord. Help me out, please, Jesus, please. Okay. I'm so scared. Woo! My mama ain't raised no pump. Mic is up top. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I just need maneuver room and screaming room. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how the lady did it. You go like this. Twist it like that. Yeah, play out.
It's gonna take a miracle.
Oh, okay. There's no hair here, so it's not gonna hurt as much. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Back to the show. That's what she did. She went like that. I think I should start doing waxes for people. I should start doing waxes. I'm gonna charge $300 for one wax. And then you just put it on.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Instead of screaming. Father, can you hear me? All right. So I'm gonna hold it like this. Cause I seen the lady. Don't. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna just rip it off. Okay. All right. I still got the. Ooh. Wow. I got it. Look at that. That's nasty, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can. That's my hair. That is my armpits. Alright, so I'm gonna know how to. Whoa! Okay. Oh, whoa. It's still a piece here. And it's not that much hair on this one, but this one has a lot. Because remember, this is the armpit that I stopped. I was too scared to do it, so I stopped here. I couldn't. After this armpit, I was like, so we're gonna do the easy armpit first. Below it.
Stop it.
Ow! I'm gonna put some white powder on it so it won't hurt. Pull it. Ready? 1, 2. No, don't do that. Don't do that. You got this. 1, 2. Woo! Alright, we're gonna put some more. That piece just going. I'm not ripping that off until it's time for it to come off. It's connected to the last one. I'm gonna leave it. Alright. You hear that? It's hard. I don't want to do this.
No.
I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. Woo! Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. That one wasn't too bad. You looking kind of sexy there, Pit.
Stop it.
I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear that in the background. That's just the lawnmower people doing the lawn, doing the cutting grass. I apologize. Because obviously, they don't care that we're doing a video right now.
Okay.
So, I apologize. Back to the video. I think it's the powder. The powder is helping. Like, the powder does something in the follicles of the hair of the, you know, it's helping. Stuff get kind of hard quick. 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, we just gonna do the legs and the pits. The vagina is off limits.
Not on my watch.
Y'all, if y'all want to see me hurt myself, but make me look beautiful at the same time, just let me know. Show some love on this video then, because I'm going through a lot. Mentally, physically, not much spiritually, because God is on my side. But it's just a lot that's going on right now. And yeah. Wanna be on top? Alright, here we go. This one shouldn't hurt. God dang it. Whoa. Wow. Sweet Mary Joseph. Alright, so we're done. We're done with this armpit. She's so fresh and so clean. Before, after. I lost all this weight after using Jenny Craig. Jenny Craig was very much giving me caveman. But as you can see, these are... Alright, that's just God saying... Oh my God, another one fell. Alright. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. Other armpit. Woo! Let's get it. In and out, baby. We're doing this. This is gonna be 1 minute. We're gonna take 1 minute to do this armpit. Ow! And then we're on to the legs. To the legs, baby.
What?
Down your pits. Again, you're just gonna caress your armpit because you're about to put it through a lot of stress. You want to let them know that you're here for your armpit, even though nobody else is. Here we go. Come on. We ain't no... I can't say the word because I ain't trying to get demonetized, but you know, let's go. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
So excited! So excited!
I chickened out the last time, y'all. I said, you know what? This armpit look good. All right, let's go. We're just gonna go in the bathroom and shade out the armpit because it was just too much. It was just too much. So here we go. I don't want to do this. Here we go. All right. First time. Got to cover it up. Now I'm gonna take some powder and I'm just gonna put it around the area. Why? So it can mentally make me feel good. It make it feel like, you know, that the powder is really helping me because I feel like it is. All right. I'm gonna reward myself to a smoothie after this. Thing ready, y'all. It's ready to come off. It's getting hard. It's already pulling. I'm not even pulling nothing. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2. All right, come on. 1, 2, 3. I can't pull it. Dang, they stuck, bro. They're stuck. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah. All right, come on. Come on. Get the rest off. You got it. You got it. You got it. Just rip it off. Rip it off. Just rip it off. Rip it off. Rip it off. Here we go.
Move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, it's not coming off. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. It's not. We just go. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. It's stuck. It's stuck like Chuck, y'all. Maybe I gotta put more wax on top. Yeah, that's probably what I gotta do. I'm gonna do that. That's all. It's probably not ready to come off. It probably just need a little love and affection. That's it. It was, you know, I got a little scared. Okay. I seen a lady do this. She took the other one that she did and like put it up like that and ripped it off like this. But we gonna use our other one as a guide to help us. Come on, ready? 1, 2. Oh! Oh! I think I want to stop now. Look at this. I'm bleeding, y'all. No. Okay, I can peel the first piece off because the hair is already gone, so it's not pulling anything. It's just at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. to leave. Like, get off of me. I swear, I'm ready to be done. I'm ready to be done with my armpits. They've been going through a lot. Like, they are tired. I want to go home. I don't want to do this anymore. Gosh. Okay, I gotta get the other piece. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, look, y'all see my waxing skills? They're getting a little bit better. Get at me. $50 per armpit. I'm about to start charging. Here we go. Claim it where the money resides. Here we go. 3. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, it does not want to come off. All right, we're going through one wipe through and that's it. Here we go. I'm doing one big huge one and we're ripping it all off. It's going all off. Yeah. Look, y'all see my little blowing and twisty? Look, God, this is a $50,000. That's good. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it just fell. Well. It's not bad because there's no hair on there. There's no hair. I'm just getting the messed up tiny ones. Moth just wasn't meant for it to come off. I'm not gonna fight with it. Nope. Why fight? Why fight? I'm not gonna fight with it if it doesn't want to come off. Whatever, it's not done. It's gonna stay there. All right. It's just. Here we go. And look at those pits. I don't know why this one looks so irritating. It's like we is done, but take our handy dandy deodorant and put it on. Pits are very much, give me very much naked. I did the rest of my legs off of camera. The legs didn't hurt as much as the armpits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hey, welcome to the family. What's good? Just want to thank all you guys that watch my videos, just taking the time out of your day to look at my video, just to get a quick laugh. And if I make your day better, let me know, you know, just thank you guys for everything, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.